Lysosomal storage diseases, we all know that there are various digestive enzymes inside the lysosome. All of us know very well that there are various digesting enzymes present inside the lysosome. Okay? And all these enzymes, they are carrying out specific functions. The various digestive enzymes that are present in the lysosome, they are carrying out specific functions. And when we see the functions, यहाँ पर जब हम इनके functions को देखते हैं, तो क्या होता है कि इनके functions को जब हम देखते हैं, तो हम देखते हैं कि सारे जो enzymes हैं, इनके अलग-अलग functions हैं. Now, in the lysosome, if the enzyme is less in amount, ठीक है, we are going to study about the lysosomal diseases. We are going to study about the lysosomal diseases, in which we have about 20 or 40 different kinds of enzymes present inside the lysosome. And if a particular enzyme is not present in the lysosome, then what do you think will happen? Give me answers before I tell you what happens. We have many enzymes present in the lysosome, and the main function of these enzymes is digestive in nature. Now, for example, if a particular enzyme is absent in the lysosome, and this is an abnormality, this is not normal. Okay, it is an abnormality. Okay, so what will happen? What do you think will happen if one of the lysosomal enzyme is lacking? It is not present inside the lysosome. What do you think is going to be the setback? Just use your brains and give me the answer, then I will tell you the answer. For example, we have a substance A, which will be digested by a substance A, the lysosomal enzyme A1. Okay, yes, your answer is very correct. No digestion will take place. Let me give you the explanation now. Another answer. Okay, the lysosome would break down the materials. Okay, yes, shabash. So we have a substance A, which is very important for our body, and this substance A is going to be digested by the lysosomal enzyme A. Now, for example, if this lysosomal enzyme A is absent, then it means that substance A is going to accumulate. And when it is going to accumulate, it means that it is going to be stored in a very high amount inside the lysosome, inside the cell. It is going to be stored in a very high amount inside the cell, because of which various complications can arise. Various complications जो हैं, they can arise, and these complications that arise, they can be fatal also. Such a condition in which materials and substances and chemicals, they start to accumulate inside the cell due to the absence of the lysosomal enzyme are known as lysosomal, you have it in your books also, storage diseases. Lysosomal storage diseases. We have various lysosomal storage diseases, and these lysosomal storage diseases, they can be hereditary in nature. Hereditary का मतलब ये है कि ये inherit होते हैं. They can be congenital or hereditary in nature. मतलब ये है कि ये आपको inherit होती हैं, ये मारूजी होती हैं. They are inherited. Okay? If the disease runs in the family, then that disease, there is a very high chance the disease can be inherited. And we have more than 20 different types of lysosomal diseases due to accumulation of one substance or the other inside. But in your book, we are just going to discuss the disease of Tay-Sachs. Tay-Sachs disease. Tay-Sachs disease is actually a disease which is caused due to the accumulation of lipids. Lipids जो हैं वो उसके अंदर जमा हो जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से the brain gets affected, and when the brain gets affected, उसके अंदर जो है इट कैन बिकम वेरी फेटल इन द अर्ली चाइल्डहुड, और इसमें यह कि ब्रेन अफेक्ट होने की वजह से उसके अंदर वो एबनॉर्मेलिटीज आ जाती हैं, इम्पेयरमेंट आ जाती है ब्रेन के अंदर, और इसमें ब्रेन फंक्शन जो है वो फेटल मतलब वो हैम्पर हो जाता है, ठीक है, ब्रेन फंक्शन इज हिंडर्ड, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हिंड्रेंस व्हाट हैपेंस कि डेथ भी हो सकती है ऐसी डिजीज की सूरत में। एंड ये कौन सी डिजीज है? ये लाइसोसोमल स्टोरेज डिजीज है, ठीक है। बोर्ड की तरफ वापस जाते हैं, इसमें एक एक्स्ट्रा डिजीज भी डिस्कस हुई हुई है, वो भी आप लोग लिख लीजिए। आपका जो एंट्री टेस्ट है, एंट्री एग्जाम जो है, उसमें you don't have to just rely on your book. During the lectures I will be giving you a lot of extra information also. You have to note down everything because you will be getting some questions regarding examples of diseases especially, which are very common and not necessarily going to be a part of your book. So we have to be up to date with the various diseases and various things that are moving around us. About 20 such diseases are known, the lysosomal storage diseases, and these occur due to accumulation within the cell of substances such as glycogen, which is a carbohydrate, or various glycolipids, which is a conjugated molecule. They are produced by a mutation. What is a mutation? A mutation is any sudden change in the genetic makeup of an organism, which can be accidental or it can be जो है वो inherited. It can be produced by a mutation that can affect the production of one of the lysosomal enzymes. Genetic makeup is very important. Nucleotide sequences are very important for the update of for the production of lysosomal enzymes, which are because of absence of a particular disease. These storage diseases occur due to the absence of a particular enzyme. Okay, and they and those enzymes which are involved in the digestion of that substance. For example, as I told you, कि substance A है, substance A के साथ enzyme A नहीं होगा, फिर क्या होगा? Substance A जमा होगा, और जब substance A जमा होगा तो फिर क्या होगा? मसला हो जाएगा, ठीक है। Now this is a disease that is not present in your book, but you write it down. Glycogenosis type 2 disease. Write it down in your registers. The liver and the muscles appear filled with glycogen within membrane bound organelles. ऐसा लगता है जैसे इनके अंदर ग्लाइकोजन भरा हुआ है. In this enzyme, in this disease, the enzyme that degrades glycogen to glucose is absent. कौन सी disease है? Glycogenosis type 2 disease. Glycogenosis type 2 disease. ग्लाइकोजन जमा होता है inside the membrane bound organelles. जितने भी आपके organelles हैं वहां पर ग्लाइकोजन जमा होना शुरू हो जाता है. क्यों नहीं खत्म होता? Because the enzyme required for the digestion, it is absent. Tay-Sachs disease, this is present in your book. An enzyme that is involved in the catabolism. Catabolism means breakdown. Anabolism means build up. Catabolism means breakdown. Anabolism means build up. ठीक है, तो lipids की breakdown के लिए जो enzyme है, it is absent. As a result क्या होता है? As a result ये होता है कि lipids accumulate होना शुरू हो जाते हैं brain cells के अंदर. It can lead to mental retardation and even death. ठीक है, mental retardation या death की सूरत भी इसमें बन सकती है. अब next class में हम लोग microbodies के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, और आज जो कुछ भी हमने पढ़ा है इसमें if you want